Hello and welcome to the DBEC Logistics Photo Documentation Guidelines presentation. Today, we will be covering why photo documentation is important during delivery and installs, as well as the necessary photos needed while installing specific major appliances. The concept of photo documentation is not inherently new. A photo has always spoken 1,000 words, and now by using our in-field applications to capture in-the-moment updates, we can quantify, create, and coach based on the information gathered with each stop. Capturing before photos is important to quantify the existing unit or haul away and illustrate existing workspace, while detailing obstruction and challenges prior to engaging in service. By capturing the workspace prior to work, we can speak to any pre-existing damage prior to starting and have the potential to address claims quicker and easier. These photos create a visual record for identification of the haul away, should the customer want it back. When dealing with no-fits, we can quantify the space with a measuring tape for feedback. By illustrating a change in the environment, we can speak to completion and required additional charges when billing the client and addressing escalations. We recommend capturing any unique delivery conditions or pre-existing property damage to protect both the installers and company from future damage claims. Remember to capture property protection equipment used during install, such as scuff shields and moving blankets. Product no-fit. To properly illustrate a no-fit condition, take photos of the appliance dimensions and the real-time measurements of allocated area in the home. Now that the initial walkthrough is completed, let's move on to installation steps and component photos. These photos illustrate the components for reference and code requirements. These reference photos can save time and quantify expectations to your client as well as your customer. Main use cases are being able to guide a customer to shut off when there is a leak. This could prevent further damage and reduce claims, and quantifying the out-of-scope additional work. For coaching, record keeping, and deflating escalations when or if they are issued. Certain areas, such as Massachusetts, Minnesota, New Hampshire, Maine, and Rhode Island, require photo documentation of contractually required components for payment, i.e., air gaps, water hammer arresters, GFCI. Before and after photos of these components are required to quantify the change and completion in the home. Regulated municipalities require permitting and inspection when installation is complete. Some inspectors are now accepting photo documentation, reducing time and cost. Connection and mount photos. By illustrating that we left the home in a safe condition, we can reduce claim-based inquiries and build a case for manufacturer defect. Photo documentation of the anti-tip is encouraged for safety and record, and is also now a part of your DSA. General connection photos to include completed LP conversion, drainage if applicable, and hard wiring. Cabinetry-based mounting to include dishwasher mounts, OTR brackets, and mounting, cooktop mounts, wall oven mounting screws, etc. Dishwashers. First, document supply and drain connections with no leaks. Illustrate the unit was functional prior to departure by documenting water beads on the inside of the unit. Illustrate how you've mounted and leveled the unit, causing no damage to cabinetry. Note: cabinetry claims are the #1 reason for claims with built-in appliances. Unlevel units are the #1 reason for service calls. Finally, show the unit is wiped down, plastic removed, and powered on to show function. Remember, regulated areas require photo documentation illustrating a change in environment for payout, i.e. air gaps, water hammers, GFCI. Over-the-range microwave. Mounting bracket secured and installed, venting secured, if applicable, and power cord plugged in, mounting bolt flush with cabinetry. Finally, show the unit is wiped down, plastic removed, and powered on to show function. OTR plus orders will need to quantify a change in environment with a before and after photo regarding the electrical connection. Range hood. Document the placement of the mount if applicable. Capture the ventilation setup if applicable. Quantify the unit in operation prior to departure. The paper illustrates the fan in operation. Document the unit in its final position free of debris and packaging. Cooktop. Document mounting bracket installed. Illustrate over connections beneath the unit. Connections tested for no leaks. Finally, show the unit is wiped down, plastic removed, and all burners are on to quantify function with level. Wall oven. Illustrate electrical or gas connection made. Document unit being secured to cabinet without damage. Finally, quantify unit is level and functional. Gas and electric range. Document anti-tip device is installed. Illustrate connections have been made and tested for leaks. Ensure unit is level to meet manufacturer specifications. Finally, document unit in operation prior to departure. Gas or LP dryer. Quantify connections made on site. Water, gas, LP, electric, ventilation, etc. Document the LP kit has been installed. Illustrate connections have been made and tested for leaks. It's difficult to visually confirm a dryer in operation. Illustrating that you've ensured its functionality prior to departure is key. Note: LP conversion discussion points are for reference only and not a service currently supported by the RXO LMH network. Waterline and refrigerator. Document connections made with no leaks. Illustrate location of shutoff valve. Document unit in operation. Finally, quantify unit in final position, leveled and free of plastic packaging. Appliance final photos. Documenting the unit in operation, i.e. flames on a stove, beads on a dishwasher, speaks to the unit being tested and possibly demonstrated prior to departure. In compilation with the before photo, the change of the workspace is illustrated, assisting with inquiries, potential freight and damage claims. Note the above photo. A photo with a level on the unit, sometimes in conjunction with the immediately adjacent countertop, can assist in reducing service calls, inquiries, and escalations regarding proper installation. It also quantifies being installed to manufacturer specification. Booties, blankets, and other damage preventative equipment. Showing these were in use while in the home illustrates the care that went into the stop. Threshold delivery. Capture images of all 4 sides upon delivery arrival. Show customer requested location as final landing spot image. White glove. Capture images of all 4 sides upon delivery arrival. Capture image of proof of TV function in final landing spot. Wall mount. Capture images of all 4 sides upon delivery arrival. Requested installation point with power and connections. Stud finder and level photo capture. Use of pilot holes required. Image capture of TV wall mount. Mount placement and with TV attached. Capture image of TV on wall mount. Make sure no packaging or trash is in picture. Capture image of proof of TV function in final landing spot. To wrap things up, we've discussed how crucial photo documentation is at every step of the installation process. It's not just about covering the bases. It's about ensuring transparency, protecting both the contractor and the company from potential future claims, and demonstrating professionalism in your work. By taking the time to document each stage of the project, you're creating a detailed record that can help resolve disputes efficiently and showcase your commitment to quality. Thank you for your attention today. Let's make sure that, going forward, every job is documented thoroughly and accurately.